Oh, yeah, step three, service of process. Respondent must be served or given notice of the hearing 5 business days prior to the hearing. Yeah. If the respondent has not been served in time, the hearing will be rescheduled for that situation. Yeah. The judge should reissue the temporary order and allow you to attempt to have the respondent served again. If you are unable to have the respondent served after 2 attempts, yes, the judge may allow you to serve the respondent by mail or by publication, unless you request another chance to serve the respondent. If the respondent was served but does not show up at the hearing, the hearing can proceed without the respondent. Yes. The hearing can happen if the respondent doesn't appear at the hearing. Yes. You have to serve the respondent, give them notice. Yeah. At least 5 business days before having a court hearing. Yeah. Do you have to have that same requirement when having a dissolution of marriage? Did you have to serve me? Oh, you use that specific act or threat of violence to exclude Heidi from any of the requirements of the law. Yes. And every time you said, well, I'm the domestic abuser. Yes. And I say, well, what exactly is that specific act or threat of violence? Yes. You wanted to say what? What was it? Yes. What exactly did I do? What is the specific act or, well, let's read it again. It seems like you're confused. Yes. Specific act or threat of violence alleged to have occurred. What specific act or threat of violence alleged to have occurred? Yes. Gave you the judicial authority to not require personal service at least 5 judicial days before having court hearings. Yes. What was it? It wasn't Guam. My record was expunged when I was found not guilty. Yes. Exactly what was it that I did? Well, what what was it? What was the reason why my wife didn't have to appear in court at the same time that I appeared in court? What was the reason? No, it was that I was homeless. You wanted to say that I did what? I didn't have sex with any women. No. I didn't drink. I tried marijuana after it was legal. Yes. Exactly what was it that I did? Yes. That was the specific act or threat of violence against alleged to have occurred. Yes. That allowed for you to use mailing. Yes. Instead of personal service. Yes. That allowed for you to have court hearings without proof of service. Yes. What actually took place? That right now. What was it that I did? Can you tell me? Yes. Domestic violence advocates throughout this nation. Yes. Can you tell me exactly what the specific act or threat of violence was? Yes. That gave you the authority as a judge to not require personal service.